In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add login and sign up pages in Base44. We'll walk through a simple guided way to get from a blank or existing project to having proper authentication pages using Base44's built-in tools. I'll keep things clear and straightforward so you can follow along even if you're fairly new to the platform. First, go ahead and open Base44 and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all of your existing projects or apps are listed. Take a moment here to decide which project you want to add your login and sign up pages to. If you already have a project you're working on, simply click on it to open the editor. If not, you can quickly create a new project and then open that one instead. The important thing is that you're inside the Base44 editor for the specific app where you want authentication pages to live. When the project editor loads, you should see a preview of your current app layout. This might be a dashboard, a home page, or some other starting screen. From here, we're going to use Base44's AI capabilities to handle the heavy lifting for our login and sign up design. Look for the input field or prompt area where you can type in instructions to Base44. This is usually somewhere prominent in the editor interface. Click into that field, and now you're going to describe exactly what you want the tool to build for you. Be clear and specific in your description. For example, you might type something like, create a modern login and sign up page with email and password fields, a login button, a sign up link, and error messages for invalid input. You can also mention any design preferences like use a clean minimal layout or match the style of my existing dashboard. Once you've written your description, submit it and wait a few moments while Base44 processes your request. The platform will then generate the corresponding screens based on what you described. After it's done, review the new login and sign up pages in the preview. Check that the fields, buttons, and overall